What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Broke Girls Art School. In today's episode, I will be showing you the 3 different methods that I like to use to clean my wood burning tips when they start to build up too much carbon on them. So if you want to see some future content, make sure to subscribe, and if this video helped you out, then drop a like. Let's get started. All right, guys, so like I said, I have 3 main methods that I like to use to clean my wood burning tips. The first one is sandpaper. And I would make sure that you get more of a fine grit for this. Like this is 320 grit. I would make your minimum grit maybe around like a 220. You don't want it to be any more dense than that, because then it can wear down at the metal on the tip, and then if you're burning at a high temperature, these can actually snap if the metal gets too thin. So when you're using the sandpaper, make sure your heat is off on your burner, and you can just rub it like so. And then you don't need to do it that long, just so you can see that silver coming through again. Trying to get it to focus. Alrighty, and then the second method that I use, this is just a regular tea strainer, but I accidentally snapped off the handle on it. So just a regular tea strainer. And then as you're burning, you can have your heat on while using this one. So if I'm burning, this is mainly if I'm using like more of a high temperature, and the carbon's building up really quick on here, then I'll just wipe it off like this as I'm going. So like I said, you can burn, or you can leave your machine on for that method. The third one, I like to use my Dremel tool. This is just like a little itty bitty Dremel tool. It's like for crafts and stuff, but you can buy these tips off of Coalwood Burners for cleaning your wood burning supplies. So they look like this. And you can, I'm assuming it would fit in like any Dremel. So you tighten that on, and then it spins for you. So you can just use it on your machines like so. And this is probably my favorite method, because with the size of the tip and everything, you can really get it in between the crevices on your wood burning tips. So yeah, this one is for sure my favorite. But if you don't have a Dremel tool and you don't feel like buying this stuff, then tea strainer or sandpaper should do you just fine. Thanks for checking out another episode of Broke Girls Art School. If you guys want to purchase any of the supplies that I was using off of Amazon, I will drop the links below. If you have any questions or anything else that you guys want to see, please drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe.